Hello friends, welcome to the Yoga Show by Rushi again. Well, now I am going to explain you how exactly to do a Vakrasana, which is also known as a twist pose, a twisted pose. Okay, and also let's try to understand its benefits. Okay, so first of all, let's try to do a Vakrasana. As I said earlier, or you can say as I said in many videos, that before doing asanas you need to warm up your body a little bit. Okay, so after having a warm up, so you need to do Vakrasana in this way. Okay, the first thing you need to do is try to put your both legs in forward. Okay, relax. Now try to fold your right leg. Okay, the body has to be erect, the spine has to be erect. Now you can see, try to fold your right leg in such a way that the heel, or you can say the feet has to touch the left knee. Okay, in this way. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to twist your trunk. Okay, you need to twist your trunk, and you need to twist your shoulders, you need to twist your head. Okay, with the support of the right hand. You can see here, I am taking the support of the right hand, putting here on the floor. You need to twist your trunk, twist your head, twist your shoulders in such a way that the left hand should touch the right foot in this way. Okay, now your position of your head should watch the right shoulder, or you can say back, in this way. Now take a normal breath. And try to stay for at least 30 seconds. After practicing consistently, try to stay for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, take a normal breath, close your eyes. Okay, you can see my elbow of the left hand is pressing the knees of the right leg. Okay, try to hold the feet or touch the right feet with your left hand, and the position of the head has to be in back, pointing towards back, or watching your right shoulder. Do it for 2 to 3 times. Initially it will be very tough for the beginners. Okay, now slowly turn your head, turn your trunk and shoulder slowly back to the original position. Okay, now remove your left hand slowly. Unfold your right leg. Okay, take back your right hand. So this is the way you got to do the Vakrasana. Now let me show you on the left hand side. Okay, so similarly try to put your both legs forward, in forward direction. The spine has to be erect. Fold your left leg such that it should touch the right knees. Okay, now twist your trunk to the left side, twist your shoulder, twist your head. Okay, with the support of your left hand, putting on the floor. So the twist has to be in such a way that you need to look backward. Okay, you need to look backward, or you need to look your shoulders, left hand shoulder, in this way. Okay, now the right hand has to touch your left leg feet, or hold it in this way, and try to look backward, or try to look your shoulders. Stay for 2 to 3 minutes, or 1 to 2 minutes at least. Close your eyes. Take a normal breath. Slowly turn to original position. Unfold your left leg and relax. relax for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the way you are going to do a Vakrasana, which is also known as a twisted pose. So now let's try to understand what exactly are the benefits of the Vakrasana, or you can say a twisted pose. Well, the major benefit is it actually controls the diabetes. I mean, it increases the functionality of pancreas so that the diabetes can be controlled. It strengthens the kidneys, and the enlargement of liver can be arrested. Okay, and the chronic back pains can be cured easily by doing Vakrasana. And the other thing is it increases the functionality of adrenal glands. Okay, so these are the major gains you can get from Vakrasana. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed and understood. Meet you in the next video. Namaste.